In today's video I'm going to reveal you some really cool techniques that I have used in creating this magical tree. And if you want to see the full video on how I created this artwork and also get the files and the brushes I used, join my Patreon, where you will have access to a lot of full tutorials and feedback to your work. Believe it or not, but the base of the tree, the first picture that I have used is this mountain. I selected a part of it and use it here at the base of my tree. The second picture with the tree is this one, and I have selected the tree using channels. And I placed that tree here. Then I added a 2-pixel Gaussian blur and I added a mask to mask some parts that I didn't want to keep. Slowly I managed to color match the mountain, the part of the mountain with the rest of the background. I added this really dark cyan color, and I did the same with this tree. So now they blend much better together on that area. Then using the same channels technique, I have selected this tree, and to make it black and white, I added a hue and saturation. I chose reds and I desaturated and increased the lightness, and I also did the same thing with yellows. And now I can import this tree into my artwork. And because here we have this angle of the underneath tree, I will modify it by adding puppet warp and drag some points to match that angle. And I will add a mask to mask some areas of the tree, and then underneath this tree I'm going to use another method to paint some branches and some leaves from another tree. So I have this picture with this tree and I want to make it a brush. So for that I'm going to select black and white adjustment layer. Then here I'm going to increase the blues and also the cyans. And then I'm going to add the levels to add some contrast. Then I'm going to press Ctrl Shift and I to create a screenshot of everything that we have on the screen. And on the edit, I'm going to click Define Brush Preset, and I'm going to name this tree. And I have it now as a brush. So if I start to paint, you'll see that this is a brush already. So here underneath my tree, I'm going to create a new layer, and with the white color and that brush I'm going to paint underneath, and now I'm going to create as many parts of my tree as I want. And of course I'm going to delete the parts that I don't need. Now let's create a new solid color adjustment layer to change that white color, and I'm going to use this bluish color, but I'm going to set the blending mode to overlay. Then I'm going to double click on the layer, and here I will going to apply the blend diff. So hold Alt and drag the white slider a lot to the right side and then hit OK. Then I'm going to glow this middle area of my tree, and for that I'm going to add a new solid color, but this time I'm going to use this purple color, and I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to modify the blending mode to color dodge. Then I'm going to click on the mask, select invert, and I'm going to use the sovereign brush, and here in the middle I'm going to paint with the white color, and as you see it brighten up that area a lot. Then I manually drew this character, this mage, and I wanted to make him part of this tree, and using that magical method that I have used almost in all my videos, I'm going to add magic that it's tied to the tree. So to create this type of magic, you should create a new group, and let's name it magic. Then set this group to screen, and inside this group create a new layer and fill it with black. Then create a new empty layer, and then where the magic is happening on the gradient map. And here I'm going to use 4 colors. So the first on the left should be black, and one from the right should be full white. Then in my case, because I'm going to use a purple magic, purple glow, the first color from the left, it will be a really dark purple, something like that. Then the second one, almost in the middle, will be another purple but brighter, and the last one a really bright purple. And now if I paint on that empty layer, you'll see that as I paint, it will make that really cool glow In my case, it's a purple glow. If you found any value in this video, please subscribe to my channel and browse for my other videos also, because there are more than 100 amazing tutorials on my channel.